staying the digestive tract in working order demands some maintenance. Otherwise, we can experience bowel obstructions. It really affects about 20% of American people. This condition takes place when waste spends too much time in the colon. Consequently, the colon continuously extracts water from the waste. Some people instantly reach for commercial laxatives for relief. It may be easier to manage the causes, which are typically absence of fiber, inadequate physical activity, IBS, and dehydration. In today's video we'll look at how certain foods can prevent constipation. Apples. Apples are one of the best organic ways to treat and prevent common constipation. Apples are a great source of organic fiber. The apple's skin is rich in soluble fiber as well as other important compounds that make a natural laxative effect. This allows it much easier for your digestive tract to make things moving. The rich supply of pectin in apples bulks up the feces and activates elimination. Apples also include sorbitol, an insoluble fiber. This type of fiber works as a laxative. Eating 2 to 3 apples, along with the skin, should provide all the fiber your body needs to promote regular bowel movements and thus improve digestive function. A glass or a couple of apple juice is also effective. Here are a few recipes you may need to try. Apple and pear juice. Pears also contain sorbitol, so that after combined with apple juice, the drink will help alleviate mild constipation. Cut 1 apple and 1 pear into small pieces. Put the chopped fruit into a juice machine. Blend well. Pour into a glass and drink. Do the procedure 2 times every day, once on an empty stomach, and again 1 hour before you go to sleep. Apple and prune cleanse. Just like apples and pears, prunes also include a significant quantity of sorbitol that acts as a laxative. The properties in the prune's exterior can trigger the intestines to move. Prunes additionally increase fluid to soften stool and is an excellent treatment for persistent constipation. Instructions. Combine equal amounts of prune and apple juice. Stir well and drink. Drink around 3 to 4 glasses daily. If consumed for long periods, your bowels may become accustomed to it. Applesauce. A little amount of applesauce is another quick remedy for adults. A word of caution, consuming too much applesauce can actually cause stool to become too firm. Try this recipe for relief. Ingredients. 1 cup applesauce. 1 cup unprocessed wheat or oat bran. 1 cup prune juice. Mix well. Eat 1 to 2 tablespoons, followed by 8 ounces of water. Repeat regularly for 2 weeks. It can be refrigerated or frozen. You can follow this procedure daily for 2 weeks. If you don't have any improvement, gradually increase your intake to 3 to 4 tablespoons.